Hello, my dear children. Welcome again in English class. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, active and passive voice. So before doing this, let us try to understand what's a voice. So voice is basically a verb that tells us how the subject behave or how the object act here. So voices, they are of two types, active and passive voice. So let us try to understand with the help of an example. Example, Mohan writes a letter. Active voice. In passive, how do we write this? A letter is written by Mohan. So my dear students, in this case, who is the person writing the letter here? Mohan. So in this sentence, Mohan does an action. So Mohan is the subject here. Okay. And what action he does here? That is the verb here. And on what the action is being done, that is the object here. So here in the active sentence, where there is a direct effect of the subject with the verb, and later comes the object here, that is known as the active voice here. Okay, so a verb is said to be in active voice when the subject perform the action. Here the subject is there, perform the action, writes a letter here. Okay, so here Mohan is the subject, writes is the verb, and this is the active verb here. And what action he has done? Wrote a letter. Writes a letter. So letter is the object here. So if we will write this sentence into the passive voice, how we will write here? A letter is written by Mohan. So what changes we have done in it? Object that is converted into the subject here. A letter, that was the object in the active, it has changed into subject in the passive here. Now the verb, how we have changed? Writes changed into is written, and we have added here the preposition by, and the subject becomes here the object here by Mohan. I hope you are trying to understand here. So here in the passive voice, when the verb in a sentence shows that subject is not the doer of the action. Subject is not the doer of the action, and the verb is in the passive voice here. Okay, so let us try to understand active. In active voice, how do we write? Mohan writes a letter. Mohan is subject, writes verb, and object is here a letter. Okay, so when we change into passive voice, a letter, so this object, it has become the subject here, a letter, and writes verb change into is written and by Mohan here. Okay, so active and passive voice. In active voice, a verb is said to be in active voice when the subject perform the action. Subject Mohan perform the action, writes a letter. Okay, and in the passive voice, when the verb in a sentence shows that the subject is not the doer of the action, subject is not the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice here. Okay, so here verb writes changed into is written here. Now let us try to understand the rules for changing active and passive voice. So according to the tense, how we will change the active into passive. And the very first is there indefinite, present indefinite, where we use first form of the verb, do and does not, plus first form of the verb in case of negative sentences. So how they are changed? In passive voice, how do we write them? Is, am, are. And in passive voice, every time we use the past participle. Okay, past participle every time we use while changing active to passive voice here. Next is there present continuous. Now let us try to understand with the help of an example, like this one example only. Mohan writes a letter. Okay, so here this is the present indefinite tense, so this will change into That's why it is written here, a letter is written by Mohan. Next is their present continuous, and in present continuous what do we use here? Is, am, are, according to the number of the person here, and then with the first form of verb we write ing. Like example, Mohan is writing a letter. Okay, so this is present continuous tense. And how do we change into passive voice? This is in the active form. So how do we write in the passive voice? A letter, same helping verb, this is singular subject here, so we will write here is, and then we will, this ing we will change into being. Okay, a letter is being. And what I said here, every time we use the past participle. So what is the past participle of write? Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. A letter is being written by Mohan. A letter is being written by Mohan. Next is their present perfect tense. Okay, so in case of present perfect, what do we use? Has, have. Already we use the third form of the verb. Okay, like example, Mohan has written a letter. Okay, Mohan has written a letter. So when we change into passive voice, how do we change it? Firstly, write the object becomes a subject here, a letter. Now this letter is already singular here, so we use has. Okay, so has, have and been. Okay, a letter has been written by Mohan. Clear here? A letter has been written by Mohan. So has, have will change into has, have been plus third form of the verb here. Next is their past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense, what do we use? We use the second form of the verb or did not plus first form of the verb here. Like example, same, Mohan wrote a letter. Okay, so when you change this past indefinite tense into passive voice, you will use was and were. Was for singular and were for plural subject here. Okay, so here again, a letter, this wrote past tense, was or were. Letter is singular, so was. Okay, a letter was written by Mohan. A letter was written by Mohan. Okay, next is their past continuous, and in past continuous tense, what do we write here? Was, were and first form of verb plus ing. Like Mohan was writing a letter. So same like present continuous tense, in that case this is shows the present time and was shows the past time here. So how do we change? A letter was written. Okay, a letter was written by Mohan. A letter was written by Mohan. Next is their past perfect. In past perfect, we use had plus third form of the verb, like Mohan had written a letter. Mohan had written a letter. So this had in passive voice, how do we write? A letter had been, same like has been and had been written by, a letter had been written by Mohan. Okay, and next is their future indefinite. In case of future indefinite, we use shall, will and plus first form of the verb, like Mohan will write a letter. Mohan will write a letter. So when we change into will, shall will become will be or shall be, and third form of the verb, a letter will be written by Mohan. A letter will be written by Mohan here. Okay, next is their future perfect. We cannot change future continuous into passive voice here. Already it is used here. Okay, so next is their future perfect. In case of future perfect, what do we use? Will, have, shall have plus third form of the verb, and we will change into will, shall have been. Okay, like Mohan will have written a letter. Mohan will have written a letter. So when we will change into passive, so how will you change? A letter will have been written by Mohan. Okay, so I hope that you have understood how to change active into passive voice in case of different tenses here. Okay,